All I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm doing a cozy everything shower routine because I haven't done one in a long time. So today is the perfect day. I'm starting by oiling my hair. I'm first brushing my hair because I don't want any knots in my hair. And for my hair oil, I'm using a combination of 2-3 hair oils. I'll mention it on the screen. I'll be oiling my hair with my fingertips only. I think this is the best way to oil your hair. I always do this and I feel completely relaxed after oiling my hair. I haven't oiled my hair in like a month, but I thought I would do it today because my hair was feeling extremely dry. I'm making sure that I'm covering my ends also because that is the driest part of my hair. After that, I'm using this wooden scalp massager. I got this free from indē, and this is a great tool. I mean, I just use it so that there is more blood circulation, and it just feels great. After I've oiled my hair, I'm going to keep the oil in my hair for like an hour, and then we'll move to our shower routine. I'm going to set an alarm for an hour. After oiling my hair, the next step is going to be shampoo. For that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal's Absolut Repair shampoo. I love this shampoo a lot. It has become one of my favorite shampoos of all time because of how good it is. I have extremely dry, frizzy and rough hair, but this one makes my hair super soft, smooth, hydrated. I just have no words because I love this shampoo that much. I like to shampoo my hair twice whenever I oil my hair. Otherwise, I just shampoo my hair once. After shampoo, the next step is to use a hair mask. For that, I'm using this hair mask from the same range. I think this is the best hair mask ever because it is so good. It makes my hair so freaking shiny and smooth. Whenever I style my hair after using this mask, I absolutely love how my hair look. You have to give this one a try if you have dry frizzy hair. Then I'll rinse the hair mask, and the next step is the bath gel. I'm using this one from Treacle Moon. The consistency of this one is really nice. I love how smooth and creamy it feels, but it also has a very creamy, like a very faint creamy smell that lingers. It just leaves my skin feeling super soft and supple. I really like this one. Then I will just rinse off the body wash, and the next step is to exfoliate my body using my favorite body scrub from Dove. This is the rice milk and macadamia one. It smells heavenly. Every time I use it, I just feel really good. It smells divine, and it leaves my skin feeling super polished and soft. As you can see here, my skin looks super soft already. Then I'll use a shaving gel and my razor to shave off my hair. Ever since I've started using this shave gel, I think I'll never go back to shaving my hair with like regular soap and body wash because this actually didn't give me any cuts or anything. So yes, for a super close and smooth shave, you can use this. Then after that, I'll quickly move to my post-shower routine. First step is to obviously wash the face. For that, I'm using the COSRX Salicylic Acid face wash. This is my most loved and most used face wash ever. I will never run out of this face wash because I always have another one in stock. So yes, it just makes my skin really clean and soft and helps with my acne also. Then I'll use this mask from Beauty of Chosen. This is a new one. This is their red bean pore mask. I quite liked using this one. I mean, when I was applying it, I was struggling a bit because of this tiny spatula. So I moved to my fingers. Of course, I washed my hands before applying it with my fingers. But I think finger application is the best for these type of masks. So I'm just using my fingers here. And I took my sweet time to apply it all over my face because I actually haven't applied any face mask in like a month. So I wanted to be patient with it. And I will keep it for like 20 minutes or so. Then I'm applying this body oil from L'Occitane. I got this in PR, of course, because it's very expensive, but I love it so much. This is their almond body oil. I was already using this one, and that one was sent in PR as well. So yes, I'm very lucky that way. But yes, it just leaves my skin feeling super soft and nice. Love it. Applying it everywhere. Then I'll just quickly move to body lotion. For that, I'm using this coconut body lotion from Victoria's Secret. I love how lightweight it is and how non-greasy and oil-free it is on the skin, and it doesn't smell extremely coconutty, which is why I love it. I love how subtle and minimal it is, because I love to layer myself with body mist and perfumes. Then next is using this roll-on from Carmesi. This is also a coconut scented and rum roll-on. Summer is all about coconut and citrusy fragrances, but I prefer coconut fragrances more. So yes, then I'll just move to my hair care and skincare now. I've already washed my mask. I'm not big on hair care, like I don't do much for my hair. I've recently started using this Nexxus hair oil. Super popular, super hyped. Got it from the Nike's Pink Summer Sale. Just wanted to try because it is such a hype product. But I think it's good. It smells nice, but it's just as good as my OGX's argan oil, if not more. So yes, love using this one. Then I'm just brushing my hair because I'll be styling my hair also. Next step is to use a serum. I'm using this one only these days. This is XSY's Close Serum. It works well for my pigmented spots because I keep getting acne every now and then. So yes, it works really well for my skin. And I'm using this moisturizer from Formula RX. This is an oil-free moisturizer. I have acne prone skin, so this one works well for my skin. Very lightweight, feels nice. Also moisturize your skin for good 8-9 hours, which is nice. And I'll just apply it nicely. After that, I'm using this one from indē. I love this lip balm. Doesn't have a lot of color to it, but I love that it's subtle and it is actually really good on the lips. So yes, I'm just striking some poses here. I don't know why, but after that I'll be using a body mist. This one is my all-time favorite. This is the vanilla and dreamy one from Victoria's Secret. It has a very nice coconut fragrance and it also smells like whipped cream. Love how creamy it smells. This is a new one from indē. This is their Chandra Body Mist. I love it. You can also use it in your hair. And I'll just quickly style my hair. I'm using this hot air brush from Alan Truman. I also use the Urban Yogs hot air brush, but the brush head of Alan Truman is bigger than Urban Yog, so I prefer using this one when I want to style my hair quickly. But Urban Yog one is more powerful, so whenever I use that one, my hair tend to stay for a longer period of time as compared to this one. But both are really good because I keep getting this question if I use the Urban Yog one or the Alan Truman one, but I use both and both are equally good. But if you have dry coarse hair, try to use the Urban Yog one because that one is more powerful. And that is all. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.